Hi guys. This doorbell is from sometime in the 1960s. This building was built. So this is the original doorbell. And it's in a co-op. And I'm updating my place and I'm revitalizing some old stuff. But everything disintegrated, like the little rubber pieces and the little screws. So I improvised, and it works great, and I'll let you listen in a moment. But the trick is, if you do this with one of your old doorbells, well, I'm sure a lot of people live in buildings, you don't need to have a screw on top and bottom. You want these plates to be loose, so they actually ring when someone presses the doorbell. I couldn't sleep, so I'm going for it. Check this out. Ready to listen? That's how it's supposed to sound. I hope you can hear that. So that's a really good trick. I want you to see that I had a couple of little washers, bolts, mini ones, and I just found 2 different size screws. It's okay, as long as they're in there nice, and it could take the jiggle of the bell. When this goes, it'll work. And I took a screwdriver, and at the tip of the screwdriver, took a rag with some Windex, and I cleaned the peephole. Because if you look in there, if you can see that, you see the peephole. I hope you can see that. I'll check it in a moment. And what you do, I gave this a good cleaning. I'm not going to paint it. I'm going to leave it original. It came out great. Buffed it down a few times. See here? So when it's on, I have to add a screw on top. You go like that with the peephole. Go like that with the peephole. And now I have a clear view. This doorbell's been broken for years, and I fixed the peephole, so I brought something back to life. I'm going to keep this original because I stripped that years ago, and I painted it silver, and I hope you can see that. It's for the circuit breaker. That's the cover. I'm going to keep it that way. It looks really nice. And, you know, I've been working on my place. Let me see if I could do this. No, it came out pretty good. It's coming along. Looking clean, looking good. Somebody made a comment, why didn't you update your place all these years? I've updated my place a lot over the years. Here's a trick, guys. Here's another good tip. I mean, let me see here. The doorknobs I did replace, probably like 12 years ago. Maybe a little longer than that, maybe 15. And I gutted this out to make it flush. I did the best I could because these doors were really warped. But they're solid. They're heavy doors. And I also sanded them down so when you close it, it closes nice and smooth. I've done that over the years. I've sanded the top. I've stripped, I hope you can see that. I stripped these nubs. That's why they came out great. They're not, all gunked up because I stripped them over the years. So the place is coming out good, guys. I'm going to give the lock a really good cleaning, just like I did with the chain. Wow, looks good. If you've been watching my other videos, it just came out so great. Look at that. It looks sharp. All right, hope you found that interesting. Have a good one, folks. Bye.